Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to display button text labels in WordPress. This helps make your site editor more accessible and easier to navigate. Start by opening your browser and going to the WordPress website. Click the Login button in the top right corner and choose Continue with Google. Then select the Google account you want to use. Once logged in, you'll have access to your WordPress dashboard. Next, in the Quick Links section, find and click Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor where you can modify your website and adjust its layout and functionality. In the site editor, look at the top right corner for a button with 3 dots. Click it to reveal additional options, then select Preferences from the menu. This pane lets you customize your editing experience. Inside Preferences, click on the Accessibility section. Here you'll find tools designed to improve the editor experience for all users. Now, locate the toggle labeled Show Button Text Labels. Activate this toggle to display text labels on buttons throughout the site editor. This makes each button's function much clearer and reduces confusion. With button text labels turned on, your interface is now clearer and more user-friendly. Scroll through your site to see how the buttons now include descriptive text. And that's it. You've successfully enabled button text labels in WordPress, making your editor more accessible and intuitive. Explore the Preferences pane for more ways to customize your workflow.